Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well, and today I want you guys to join me on a day trip to Isle of Wight. If you don't know where Isle of Wight is, it's a small island in England. So we're going to go there today and we're going to have a day trip. So let's go. Now on board of a ferry, and the ferry is taking us across to the island. My hair's flying all over the place. I took my braids out because they were looking a bit messy. Now my hair's gone a bit rough. I did brush it, it's just gone a bit rough, and my hair's flying all over the place now. So I bought some fridge magnets. There's a shop on the ferry. I bought 2 fridge magnets. I'm gonna go back and stick them on my fridge. Well, we're here now. So time to get off the ferry. We're here now. We're on Needles. This place is called Needles Beach. I can't really see a beach here, so we're gonna stop off. We've stopped off here for a bit, and then we're gonna go to Shanklin Beach. But there's cable cars here, but the queue for the cable cars is too long, so I'm not gonna go on the cable cars. Just gonna walk around, see the view and just explore.
A snap video when you guys were in
It was
Spain.
hot, so I had to go into a gift shop and get a change of outfits. So I got a cap and a t-shirt because I made the wrong choice. I wore a button-up shirt, which I shouldn't have. And then my cousin treated me to a slush. She bought me a slush.
Oh, I didn't save it. I didn't save that video where he goes.
we're on Shanklin Beach. So we just got dropped off here. So we came by coach. So we're on Shanklin Beach. And the weather today is absolutely stunning. It's over 20 degrees. It's nice and sunny. So just walking around, walking up and down, just exploring. I've never been to Isle of Wight before. This is my first time here, so now I'm on Shanklin Beach.
I just put him to bed.
So I'm just sitting down, looking at the view, looking at the sea and the beach. So it's currently 5 p.m. and the coach will come at 5:15, 5:15, and then we should leave, head back towards the ferry at 5:40, and then we shall head back home. And now I'm just looking at the view. I just got back from Turkey Marmaris recently and had a fantastic time out there. So I got back on Thursday morning. I landed in Luton Airport at 2 a.m. in the morning. 2 days later, I landed on Thursday, and on Saturday I've come to a small island in England. It's called Isle of Wight. So just here for a little while more before the coach comes and picks me up. I'm now on board of the ferry, and we're going back home. So let's go home.